cooking shows. Amazing guys to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things. It is Christmas, and you know what I mean, a lot of people love Christmas, and a lot of people, you know the reason why? We're talking about like sorrel and Jamaica and black rum fruit cake. I made the recipe a couple of months ago about sorrel, and I want to decide to give you a new recipe which you can make it and get it ready for tomorrow for Christmas Day. And you can make it on Christmas Day, get it cool down, then serve it with some ice. Beautiful recipe. Anyway, enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. And as I said, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Sorrel drink, new recipe on the menu for Christmas. Enjoy, guys. A lot of people back in Jamaica, you know, when they come to Christmas, a lot of people make their sorrel and their rum fruit cake. That's one of the most important thing on Christmas, where a lot of people do. But anyway, I to be honest, guys, I went to the shop today and I bought some sorrel. And you know what I mean, I said to myself, you know, I did a video a couple months ago about sorrel, but I decided this time I want to do a sorrel again for my fans them, and I'm going to show them how they can do certain things with sorrel at home. Basically, I want to say to you, this is some dry sorrel, all right? This is some dry one. I don't have the fresh one. If I was in Jamaica, I would just go to my grandmother's tree and get some fresh sorrel. But I'm gonna show you a little secret what you can do with your sorrel at home. Look at this. Get a big, roughly, I wanna say, this is, as you can see, roughly about half cups of the dry sorrel. Get a medium container like this and pour the sorrel inside of it. As long as I say, it is the dry one. You can get the dry one at supermarket to buy local. Very easy. To be honest, I just boil my kettle, and all I'm going to do is to pour some hot water on it like this. And I'm not going to make a whole heap of sorrel, you know what I mean? I'm going to roughly make probably about 2 glasses of the sorrel. So as you can see, I just pour roughly about a glass of water on it, or a glass and a half of water. I got a medium-sized orange right here, and all I'm going to do is cut off a piece of the orange, and I have some clove which I'm going to pop straight inside of the orange like this. And you might have said, what is that Chef Ricardo been doing? So I'm putting some clove in the orange, as you can see. Clove is very strong, and I know you guys can get clove anywhere to buy at the local shop or the supermarket. So I'm just popping a few clove in it. So roughly 2, 4, 6 clove. I'm gonna pop that straight inside of it like that. Lovely and nice. I must say I'm going to be using my spoon right here, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. Lovely. What I want to say, I have right here a piece of a ginger, and all I'm going to do is simple, grate on my ginger like this. But let's get this container right here. Now I'm going to just simple grate the ginger like this. So the ginger will definitely bring a lovely flavor to it, as you can see. Let's get that lovely ginger straight inside of it. I know, I mean, I love my sorrel, and honestly guys, I tell you something, I'm always making sorrel every year, but as you can see, I'm not making too much because I just want to show my fans them what you can do when you're at home. You can simply make yourself some lovely sorrel drink at home. So as I say, I'm grating a piece of a ginger. Lovely and nice. So I believe this will be perfect. I'll grate the half of the ginger, and as you can see exactly what is taking place inside of the pan right there. Nice one. So I just grated the ginger. I might just grate a piece more just to keep it really Nice one. I believe that's be fine. Lovely. So as you can see, all that looking lovely and nice already. I got some natural brown sugar which I'm going to be used to sweeten it, because now it's like it's hot is the best time to sweeten it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of the brown sugar. And I'm just gonna sweeten it like this, because the brown sugar, what it will do, just dissolve in it very quickly. Might put another tablespoon of it inside of it. Let's give it a taste. I can taste that lovely ginger. I might just put 2 more tablespoons. Nice one. So all after you do all of those work, what you're going to do is get your cling film. Simple. I'm just gonna be wrapping it very carefully. Nice. So I'm just gonna be leaving that for roughly about 30 minutes. Alright? If you're not in a rush, you can leave it until the next day, even better. Alright? So at the moment, as you can see, wrap it, and I'm gonna just leave it for 30 minutes just to show my fans them what's taking place when you're making sorrel at home. So as I said, if you're not into no rush, you can leave it for the next day, it will even better. But if you just want to do some sorrel quickly to get it cool on and drink it, this is a faster way what you can do. So guys, enjoy it. And I know you guys are gonna love it, and you know, I will give you some more tips on it as we goes along. Alright? So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, we got a lot more to come. Lovely and nice. So basically roughly about almost an hour now since I have it like right here, cover and ready for strain off. So I jar the sorrel, it is finished now roughly, and but I want to say if you leave it for 24 hours it's even better, but I just want to show my fans them how they can make their sorrel for Christmas. So what I do, I just take my cling film off, and what we're going to do now is simple, strain it. Alright, I'm just going to be running through my strainer. Looking lovely and nice. Right inside of it is just the trash and the bits that left inside of it. Alright. Anyway, it's not finished as yet, but look at this. We got some Jamaican white rum, which we're going to put inside of it. Roughly 2 tablespoons of the Jamaican white rum. We don't want to overdo it. You know what I mean? Just gonna keep it real and natural. I got some red label wine, which I'm going to pop a little bit of the red label wine also inside of it. Bring up the flavor. Nice one. Give it a stir and then taste it. nice, really nice. But for you to serve it, you need to get some ice inside of a glass. So this is one of the best way you can ever serve the sorrel for this Christmas. As you can see, exactly. Nice one. That is fantastic, guys. So right there, that's a Christmas sorrel, and I know you guys will love it. It is fantastic, really nice, got a lot of flavor and a lot of taste to it, and as you can see, guys, it is fantastic. So enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Christmas sorrel drink, and I know you guys can have that tomorrow morning for, you know what I mean, when you wake up you want to have a nice lovely drink. You can make it from tonight and leave it for tomorrow. Fantastic drink. So enjoy it, guys, enjoy it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. As you can see, it is fantastic. A lot of ice and also a lot of flavor and a lot of taste to it. So guys, please subscribe, leave your comments below and tell me what you think about my sorrel drink right here. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica on the world. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.